So I'm just cleaning up these tanks. These are Pfab, or the brand on them. They're aluminum tanks, and you can see they're just kind of dirty looking. They're not too bad. I'm not going for a mirror finish. You could sand these with a bunch of different stages and polish them, but I wanted to go with just this brushed looking look. So this one's coming out really nicely. I'm just doing it by hand, and you can kind of see what it looked like before. Just a little bit dull. They're nice tanks, but they can use a little bit of cleaning. If you see that these have water spots around them here, that's okay. That's a good thing, because these caps are actually supposed to release pressure if the pressure builds up too high. So there will be water spots on this, and I'm going to try to get those off with a polish. So here's the final product here. I used Mother's mag and aluminum polish on this. Like I said, I did it by hand. I actually did take a toothbrush and some distilled water, and I sprayed the water on the paste as I went around with the toothbrush to make kind of a mixture of the aluminum polish and water, and that helped blend it in really well so it didn't smear and make spots.